So, you didn't tell me. How was it?
Tiffany, I can't tell you that.
Oh, so you can use me to get in here so you can have your own little way. But I can't get the juicy details?
It feels weird talking about a sex life.
No disrespect, mom. You don't have a sex life. You just got some.
I'm done.
Well, he seemed out of it yesterday.
Poor thing. He was behaving as if he was some schoolboy.
No, that was that was funny.
I had to reassure him that I wouldn't speak to you about this, okay?
And here you are, about to spill all the beans.
I'm not going to. I promise him.
So, how was it?
It's good. Funny? Why?
Okay, young lady. No details, please. I'm just happy to see you happy.
I've been smiling all day into yesterday and today.
I can just imagine.
Tiff, I'm so happy that we still can have this kind of relationship.
Me too, Mom. I just worry about you sometimes. You having to stay in the shadows.
It doesn't bother me, Tiffany. You see, as long as I can get to see you from time to time, I'm good with it.
And spend some time with Uncle Carlton.
No, that was just a one-time deal.
If you say so.
I said so.
Okay, Mom. I'm very tired. I've been up all night doing some research. I'm gonna get some rest now.
Okay, sweetheart, I'll see you next week. All right?
Okay, just some of the dates. I'll get the wine and wings, and we'll just have a movie night.
I would love that.
It's a date.
Yes, it is. Okay, love.
Okay, Mom. Bye bye.
Them say, seek, and you shall find. Ask, and it shall be given.